What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be playing Skyblock. One block. And then I've made all this. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I'm just gonna get my own. Yeah, so I just expanded this before, and I'm gonna do some digging right now. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. This is awkward, it's a weird glitch. Okay. Let me just disconnect and reconnect. Sorry, guys. Okay, here we go. It's better now. Yeah, so let's get digging. This might take a while. I'm going to expand a few things too, so that will be good. Oh, hi, Creeper. I'm just going to knock him off the edge. Okay, guys, I'm going to expand on my finger a bit. I'm going to expand it. Yeah, I'm going to expand it this way. What? That was a weird glitch. Huh? Okay. No! What happened? Phew, I have my pickaxe. Not. Sorry, guys. I swear I'm a lot better. Just. I need to check the leaderboard quickly. On iron. Yeah, so this is Minecraft Java because I got it like yesterday. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. I would recommend it. It's $35. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a bit more building, and I might expand. Yeah, I might expand this area. Go away. Okay, I'm just gonna knock that sheep off. I don't give a crap. Go away, you stupid sheep. So, sorry guys, this is taking a tiny bit. Yeah, so pretty fun. Hey guys, I might start building a house, maybe. Just gonna expand this one more time, I mean. Okay, so I'm not sure if I should build a house or not. I might. I'm just still thinking. Alright, sorry guys, I'm just checking. No, it's nothing. I'm not even gonna use the bow for anything, so there's no point. This has gotta be something. Oh my god, that's so annoying. Move. Okay guys, so I might expand the island one more time and then I might start making a house maybe. I'm just gonna mine a bit more and see if I can get anything. Yes, diorite. That's good. More diorite. That's good. I'm pretty sure that's diorite. Not that. What was it? Cobble, cobble, cobble. That's diorite. Come on. Okay, so got the perfect amount. So what I might do, I might make another furnace. Go. I might break this one. Everything that has inside it. I'm gonna put that over here. Break this chest because it has nothing, absolutely nothing in it. Make like a little chest wall. Actually, go. I've got one more chest. I'll put it here. There we go. Yep. I might put my enchantment table over here as well, and maybe my crafting table. So it looks better. And still access everything. Sorry for the loud noise, guys. Okay. Um. You think I should expand it one more time? Yeah, maybe one more. And design cobblestone. So I've got some more sandstone I can put here. Andesite, stone, iron, stone, cobble, cobble, stone, coal, gold. Sorry guys that this is taking a while. Okay, so might see if I have any saplings. Do I? Actually, I'm just gonna grab this granite, this, maybe this. Diorite,